Pick the colors you want for your arch and size the balloons for the base of the column, and you're going to create quads with each color so we can then stack each one up to form our column. We're going to use the pole to arrange all the balloons. Make sure you twist the balloon so that it stays in place and push down for the design. Next, you're going to inflate 260Qs and form a quad, just how you would do with regular balloons. Slide the 260Q underneath the purple balloons, pulling each one through, and use both hands to twist pairs together and make a solid knot at the very top so it's nice and secure. Form your arch by alternating colors of your choice. Make sure you watch the full tutorial so you can understand exactly how we do this design. Don't forget to embellish your column and make sure to attach your arch over the top and make it secure.